There it is, 2010 Audi R8 V8 manual 6-speed, leaking front shocks, and here's the unpacking. This is how they came. Came from this address. Came actually pretty quickly. I think it was like 3 weeks. So anyway, let's unbox these and see what they look like. So inside the big box is just 4 smaller boxes, 2 for the rear and 2 for the front. Let's pull these apart and see what they look like inside of here. Okay, inside the actual shock boxes here, we got the fronts. See them labeled right here down at the base. And then up here we have the rears, labeled more in the middle of the body of the shock there. Not seeing any leaks on these. They look pretty decent to me. People have complained about the connectors being kind of cheap. Look okay to me. I guess the only thing cheap about it is what holds them down is the these plastic clips here. But yeah, they do show some instructions, what they want you to do first. I'm going to show a picture of that right here. It's basically to, hey, plug it in, make sure you're not getting any fault codes before you go through the trouble of installing these things. But anyway, here's the instructions that came with them. All right, it's going to be a couple weeks before I get these on. One, I got a brand new baby due like any minute. And I got to do a few things to this DeLorean here that's up on the lift. I want to get those things done because I want to get this on the lift to do the shocks. Nice ergonomic. Put it right in front of me. Anyway, I will get back to you with a install video.